tap it in your hand. Take your thumb and push in like a belly button. Okay? Turn it a little bit, push in again. Your fingers are on the outside. You want to make like a duck shape with your fingers. So you're gonna do pinch and turn and pinch and turn and pinch. This has to be the width of your finger, so your pinky finger. So this is way too thick, you can see. And I also want to push down because I don't want to forget about the bottom. So I'm going to push down and out, down and out. All the while searching for cracks that you need to fill in. If you don't fill in your cracks, you could end up with ripped clay. And that's a little bit harder to fix than just a crack in your clay. So if I want it wider, I can kind of push it wider as I go. So there we go. There's my pinch pot. Okay. Check on the bottom, make sure it's not too thick. Doesn't appear to be. I can tap it on the table to make it nice and even. Shape it a little bit. Now I'm ready to start making my bird. What I'm going to do is I have my clay. I'm gonna make the crown of my bird. This is slip. It's very, very, very wet clay. And also on my bird pinch pot. And then I get my slip, okay? I put it on the length of my score marks, my tic-tac-toe marks. That's called scoring. And then I'm gonna put it on top of my clay. And then I have to join it. Okay. So I'm going to get some clay from the top and join it to the base all the way around. And I can smooth it out with my finger or my clay tool. Make sure it doesn't have any cracks, tic-tac-toe marks. Then I'm gonna take and make the wings. Now these wings need to go on the sides like this, not like that. They'll break off. They'll like droop and break off. So on the sides like this. Score it. Score right here. Tic-tac-toe marks. Oops. Put the slip on. Put this on here like this. Then I'm going to do the joining and the smoothing. I'm just going to do a simple tail. score it. Then smooth it. Okay, so for the feet, I'm just gonna take a triangle of clay, right, and shape it. So I'm just gonna shape it. I'm gonna score these and slip them. Make my toes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my details. So I'm gonna do and then I might want to add some feathers onto mine. So I can take this tool